Hey there, today we're going to be making a bridal round bouquet. Some people call it a hoop bouquet.
Ayo, please, can you show the first step? Or you can't take it off again.
The first step.
So just gluing the
Indomie
two
and cheese.
separately.
Ati cheese. Amy.
These are the items you need to make this flower wreath or bridal bouquet. It's quite easy to come by.
Okay, guys, so we're going to make a round bouquet, like a wreath. I always get the circle thing from.
The circle was from Michael's.
How much did you get it for?
How much was it? $3, right?
$4.99.
Was it for? Hey,
Yeah.
You bought $4.99.
Yes.
I'm just joking. Yeah, it was $4.99, and then the flowers were from Dollarama.
Okay.
Madam, just got here.
So we're separating. So that's how it came, like.
Yeah, I will cut it into this
Cut it into pieces.
smaller pieces.
Yeah. To
Okay,
make
so
the base.
first of all, we'll start with the green. Okay. It doesn't matter. Is it circle?
Yeah, sorry. That's what. Okay, you can turn it.
Because you couldn't find any video like this really. So probably have a video like this. Okay. Yeah. So, and then we have, oh yeah, thank you. Oh yeah. Perfect. Perfecto magnifico. Magnificento. Oh my god. Because it's risky to make it like this. Okay, do that. Yeah, there's stomach. Okay, so. And then, remember this one was, come down first. Okay, by the time you're done, don't worry, I'll put this on there. Oh, okay. It's fine. Oh, yeah, put the last one. Look, what does it turn out?